I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy. My wrist, but I want that dime. Crazy when I pull up in sight. Run that shit back, bitch, I'm stylish.
Here's the best way to legally make $5,000 to $10,000 per month, even as a complete beginner. This is called affiliate marketing. And don't worry about everybody knowing this, because there are thousands of different products that you can promote. Like and save this video so you can look back on it, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's go. Step 1, find a product to promote. This brings us to ClickBank. You're going to go to this website right here and sign up. Next, you're going to go to the marketplace. As you can see, they have tons of different categories of products to promote. Find a category that you like. For this example, let's go with e-business and e-marketing. Next, you want to sort results by gravity. This just means the amount of people currently promoting the product. So if the gravity is high, the product's good. So as you can see, this product has a high gravity and a high price per conversion. So let's click on that. So once you click promote, it'll bring you to this page. For this example, I'm just going to type in example under account nickname and then click generate hop links. And this link right here is your golden ticket to getting paid. Now that you have your link, all you have to do is promote it on social media. I'm running out of time, but head to the comments to see my favorite places to promote my affiliate links. And like and follow for more tips on how to make money online.
The best way you can make $5 to $10K a month as a complete beginner. All you need is your phone or your laptop. And honestly, don't worry if there's too many people doing this, because probably 90% of the people who watched this have already scrolled by. And the market for this side hustle is billions upon billions of people with high demand. So I'm about to walk you through this process. Like and save this video for later. And this whole process that I'm talking about is called affiliate marketing. Here's how you can get all set up. So the first thing you need to do is go to digistore24.com and start for free. Once you sign in, go to Marketplace. Once you're in there, go to the side and pick a niche that you are interested in. For this example, I'm going to do fitness and health. Scroll through and find a product that you like with high popularity and a high commission rate. Once you find that product, click Promote Now. Once you do that, you'll get a custom link to promote that product. So if somebody buys that product through you promoting it, you will get a commission, which in this case, it would be $45 for every sale you make. My personal favorite type of affiliate marketing is high ticket affiliate marketing, where you promote expensive products and you make a higher commission every time you make a sale. I am an affiliate for a product that gives me up to $5,000 for every sale. That is how you fast track your way to wealth. If you guys are interested in affiliate marketing, make sure to comment below any kind of questions you have. I'd love to answer them for you. Also, my 7-figure mentor and I really love to help people get started with this. If you want that free training on affiliate marketing, comment below and I will personally reach out to you to help you get started.
Do not start an online business before you see this urgent video. Affiliate marketing, drop shipping, Amazon FBA. What do these things have in common? They are too competitive, take too much time, and are too difficult to profit. But what if I told you that there was a new, easier way to make money online? And it's so simple that anybody can do it. Thousands of people have made money doing this, even if they have zero business experience. And many of them have consistently made $3,200 per month. After only a week of learning this underrated skill, you could be traveling the world and living the life you always dreamed of. And the best thing is that there are no startup costs with this business. So you could even be a broke student and still make money. All you need to get started is internet access and a computer. So what is this secret side hustle that I've been talking about? Follow me for part 2 to find out how. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's called copywriting. But follow me for part 2 to learn more about it.
In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to do affiliate marketing in 2022. This method is great for beginners, and it's actually the way I made my first $200 with affiliate marketing. You're going to start over at capterra.com and look up software categories. Browse all categories. Capterra is a website that showcases pretty much any kind of software you could ever imagine. I'm going to choose photo editing software. A lot of these are new and up-and-coming softwares that you could potentially become affiliates for. You want to find a software that has really good ratings and low reviews, because that means it's a newer software. So you're going to take it and search the exact name on Google and make sure it doesn't have any ads running for it. Also, you want to make sure it has a fair amount of searches per month. I would go with over 2,000. Next, check to see if it has an affiliate program. If it does, sign up. The reason I mentioned finding a software that doesn't have any ads up top is because what we're going to do is we're going to run the ads, and because nobody else has any ads for it, we're going to be the only one that pops up when people search for this name. So when people click on our ad, we're going to get the commission. So next, all you want to do is create a Google Ads account, start a campaign for the software that you want to promote, and make sure you put your affiliate link in the website for the ad. That way, whenever anybody searches that exact name of the software, you're going to be the only one that pops up. Which means anytime anybody goes to sign up for Designify, you're going to get the commission. I actually ended up making $207 the first week that I tried this method. So yes, it actually works. Like and follow for more.
I made over $14,000 from this underrated side hustle, and here's how you can do the same. I hope I'm not wasting my time here. If you follow each step carefully, you will definitely see results like mine. Can anyone do this? And what is it? Yes, anyone can do it at any age. It is called affiliate marketing. Now, before you scroll away, just listen. Alright, still listening. There are so many people on TikTok making review videos of products without showing their face or voice and getting millions of views. Yeah, but how does that make money? They use the Amazon Associates account to get an affiliate link for the product they review and put in their profile bio for anyone who's looking to buy the product. Oh, so when someone buys the product, you make free money. Exactly, and you can become an affiliate with education, software, and many other companies, and they will literally pay you commission for just getting them customers. I'm gonna give this side hustle a shot. If this video helped you, don't forget to follow for more videos like this.
Give me the bat, Marge. Give me the bat. Give me the bat. Come on. Give me the bat. Give me the bat. Scaredy cat. Yeah.
How affiliate marketing works step by step. What's going on, Garrett here. I've actually been doing affiliate marketing for 5 years now, full time. And in this video, I want to break this down in simple terms. So if you've been maybe researching affiliate marketing, but you're overwhelmed by the massive conflicting information, I want to simplify this so you can go out there and start to create the results you truly want. Now, all affiliate marketing is just finding products that you don't have to create. These are products that are already created. It could be training, it could be a camera, it could be a lot of things. And then all you have to do is actually join that company that created the product, join their affiliate program, which gives you your own link. This is simply a website link that's coded directly to you. Now, all you have to do is just go to places online, for example, like Pinterest or Facebook. And when you get people to click that link and they buy through your link, you get credit and you actually can make money in the form of a commission. It's very simple. There's a lot of strategies, and that's actually what I share, for example, on my YouTube channel. I go in depth on different methods to get people going to your link and buying so you can make money. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, there's gonna be a link in my bio. If you go here, go to that link, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because every single week I'm posting step-by-step, over-the-shoulder training so you can really start affiliate marketing and get results in lightning speed.